Once your bills are set up, you can enter the ones that need to be manufactured into a production batch. Each batch will have a unique number and a description. Then all the bills that need to be manufactured can be entered into that one batch. You can then stock the batch, which reserves the components needed for the bills. This will then prevent stock from being sold or put on orders while the bills are being manufactured. If some components are unavailable, an out-of-stock warning report will be displayed. At any time, a batch can be unstocked before it's being manufactured. Let's go through creating a new production batch. Under Transactions, Products, Bill of Materials, Production Batch is where we can enter our new batch details. So we can enter in a batch number and also a description which can represent the bills that are to be manufactured. For this example, let's name this batch Daily Production Run. We can then enter in the batch date and a due date that this batch needs to be manufactured by. We can then go ahead and enter in our bill codes. So let's enter in cabinet. If needed, we can adjust the description just for this batch. We can then enter in the production quantity that we want to manufacture. Once we're happy with these details, we can click Accept to save this batch and access it at a later date. Once we're ready to proceed with our batch, let's click on our batch 1 and we can choose to stock the batch using the stock button or clicking F5 on the keyboard. Down the bottom it says our production batch has been reserved. Sometimes during the stock batch process, a warning report will appear if there are components unavailable for this bill. The batch will still be marked as stocked, even if the report displays. We can then unstock the batch if needed. Let's take a look at what stocking a batch does to the components. So under Master Files, Products, Inquire. Let's look at a component called wood. If we click on the Quantities tab, we can see there's a new field here called Quantity Reserved Bill of Materials, and we can see it's been updated with a quantity of 12. Now the production batch and its components are ready to manufacture the bill.